Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable controller support in games on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Click on Steam and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up the main settings window where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. In the settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Controller. This is where all your controller configuration options live, and it's essential for making sure Steam recognizes and properly handles your gaming controllers. Once you're in the controller section, click on Show Advanced Settings. This will reveal additional configuration options that give you more control over how Steam interacts with different controller types. Now you'll see a list of controller types that Steam supports. These include Xbox controllers, PlayStation controllers, Switch Pro controllers, and generic controllers. Each of these options has a toggle switch on the right side. Go ahead and toggle on the controller type you're using. This step is crucial because it allows Steam to detect and translate controller inputs properly, ensuring your games respond correctly to your button presses and stick movements. With the general controller settings configured, it's time to set up controller support for your specific game. Head to the upper left corner and click on Library to view all your installed games. In the left panel where your games are listed, right-click on the game you want to enable controller support for. Then select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens up the game-specific settings panel. In the Properties window, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Click it to turn it on. The Steam overlay is important because it provides the interface layer that allows Steam input to function properly with your controller during gameplay. Finally, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Controller. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Click on this drop-down and select Enable Steam Input. This activates Steam's controller translation layer for this specific game, allowing you to use your controller even if the game doesn't natively support it. And that's it. You've now configured your Steam to work seamlessly with your controller. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.